About this item: newest portable cordless computer vacuum keyboard cleaner, portable cordless vacuum, portable handheld laptop cleaner, cordless mini vacuum keyboard cleaner, compressed air, mini size and lightweight, convenient carry to anywhere you go. Two different nozzles meet different cleaning purpose in office, home, or car. Broad application, perfect multifunctional mini vacuum and laptop cleaning kit for desk cleaner, for cleaning dust of desktop/laptop/keyboard/air containers, vent or dust in small gaps, ash in car lighter, bread crumbs and paper scraps on desk, pet hairs, etc. Rechargeable vacuum, mini desk vacuum, built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery, rated output power is 5W, larger power than other wired mini USB vacuum, can work about 30 minutes continuous after full charge. High quality and easy maintenance, thermostability, ABS exterior features, fine workmanship, durability, and comfortable touch feeling. Two side air vents help for heat radiation. Washable nozzle and brush keep mini car vacuum new and long-lasting. Advanced technology, the countertop vacuum cleaner adopts advanced brushless axial flow copper DC motor with thick copper wire, high sensitivity rotating shaft, stronger suction and electric air duster. Hassle-free. Honlibey always do our best to provide good quality product and use experience for you. If you meet any issues with the mini handheld vacuum, please contact us. Our friendly customer service team is always standby to solve any issue for you, and make sure you're 100% satisfaction.